Matei, welcome back to Driving Conversation. Both, I don't know why in City welcome back because kudala usbalap.
Yes, sir. Yes,
and you are part of the co-hosting team. Yabo. So ngoku sawuzama nje ukuncokola soyi-2 because it's been a while since besincokole soyi-2 because I think we had the episode soyi-2 ngo-December and then we were just doing the guests. Yeah. Yabo. But yeah, unjani?
Yeah, I'm doing great, sir. All is well. How about you? Even I just survived from a bad flu, but I'm fine now. Yeah.
You're fine, but you're always well.
Yeah.
You're always well, even though go bad.
Yeah, I think that's the goal, like to push yourself to something new and attractive. If that doesn't make sense, some of them will get it. But yeah, it's a good thing, man, to push yourself, to have a dream, to have a goal, to have a vision, to picture somewhere at the back of your conscious about how the day should go or how you're expecting the year to be for yourself.
Yeah. Nice, sure. So now that ngoku ndikujongileyo like ndibona le mic le yabo and uyaqala mos uba ku episode apho ikhona because we've only done one episode with this mic.
Yeah. I think so.
So sawuke sive voice yakho injani?
Yeah, hey, I have what you call, I don't know if you have sang before in your life. Baritone. Then I can also have a soft voice, but a soft singing voice and now, but a soft talking or voice. Speaking voice ndinayo yon. But I do have a baritone for singing and I do have a baritone for speaking.
By baritone and only bass?
Bass, a derivative of a bass. Both they are like cousins and brothers, so too,
Before singing bass, tenor and whatsoever, yabo. So namhlanje, conversations zethu from the past were mainly about e-books other than interview on unfortunately academy, but tutoring program yakho plus ne journey yakho towards i-scale yabo. And then namhlanje decided ukubuya back to books, but not really focusing on like incwadi one. Yabo. So ngoku we'll just be picking up izinto that we find interesting on incwadi one or incwadi ezininzi or whatever. Yabo. And then sawuzama uthetha about lo topic le. Yabo.
Okay, can I say something real quick? It's just struck my mind. I believe for something to happen, something must happen. If for something to take place, any event should have taken place or it must take place. I don't want you to sleep on this. I want you to take it as a vision or somewhere of a routine. It's not routine because it's organic, it's spontaneous. I think say for this episode, let's aim for the sake of and the purpose to say to up. Let's aim for, remember, okay, I like to have a backstory. Every time I have to say something, I like to have a backstory. I don't know if maybe Londo, it pushes people away from me when I'm having a conversation with them. But it's always nice that, if you would look back, you have episodes up with people, with yourself, with me. And then after that, there's this like pool, there's this queue waiting to come in and share their story. So I'm saying this since namhlanje uthi you are like officially going back to e-book reviews, right? And today I like the fact that you're not doing a singular book review, you're doing e-book reviews, but you sort of like intertwining Ezo books into one simple narrative. That would make sense for today's episode. So I'm saying this episode should shoot for e-book readers out there who also want to explore indoor of ebook reviews, because what I've noticed that on my socials or in your socials or in my social life in particular, and even from my colleagues, and I've taken note about people out there read books and they read for meaning as well. So for them, they never said anything, or I've never heard anyone or
this is what they learned.
Yeah,
okay.
Of course, they tell you this is what they learned. But in terms of a setting where they sit down, they sit for an hour and do a book review, I think that's very rare. So I'm saying this for the sake of today. I think we are shooting for the book readers out there, so that even if they've watched shows Zako or your episodes, they've seen, okay, a person comes here, explores and teaches, aganye send out lessons, journey experiences zake, which is wonderful, by the way. But Glena, I think there are many people who read books. Do you remember the time we did the Atomic Habits?
Yeah,
I've seen more than 5 people that I know personally.
Abafundo Atomic Habits
posting a cover of that book, and I've always wondered, like, do they sit down for an hour? Do they want to talk? Okanye, besides sitting down and wanting to talk, so that we can come back to this.
Yeah.
My lecture this past Thursday, we wati uti, if this is a book, right? It was written by this author. Uti, the minute isuka from the author,
yeah,
a percentage of losing its core meaning iyanyuka, right?
Okay.
Meaning that xa ifika kum mna ndizayiperceiva in terms of my context, nawe uzayiperceiva in terms of your work field okanye context yakho izo differ, but sizaba nayo i point of where we sort of like intersect. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying, but today's episode, hopefully we spark and grab the attention of the book readers out there.
So basically, uvula book club.
Yeah,
because ngendlela othile ngayo uthe uba abantu they do read, but then ayikho maybe ndawo apho they share okanye they do book review, yabo, and leyo nto leyo usually ibiqhela ukwenziwa book clubs, yabo. You find abantu they go and read the books and then they come and do leyo review leyo. And it's true ke nyani ke book clubs azikho, yabo, and not to say senze book club apha, but inako kufana, yabo, inako kufana. So yeah, just going back to le ngathi topic nje,
okay,
for namhlanje, because it's not a specific book, but it's something evelayo nje in most of his self-help books. Yeah. So yeah, abantu will attest to lendo, yabo. So in most encwadi, most specifically as self-help books, they do say uba when they speak about ukwenza goals, like when you're trying to formulate goals and try and reach goals, one thing that they all say is that we need to write down goals zethu. Write down ideas, write down goals, because if you don't write them down, they are just dreams, because sometimes xa sicingayo okanye uyaphupha about lo idea leyo okanye uyacinga about lo idea leyo still, yabo, kuthiwa if you don't write it down, then londo leyo will stay as i-idea okanye izawuhlala nje ilelo phupha elo, yabo. And then another thing abayithethayo yoba once you've written down leyo goal leyo okanye leyo idea leyo, kufuneka uzama uyithetha more often, yabo. And one thing abayithethayo yoba funeka uvuke ekuseni ujonge isipili, yabo, and then say whatever goal ofuna ukuyireach, yabo. Then if let's say umzekelo apha kuthi, yabo, I think one of the goals, and more specifically for the podcast lena, is to make sure bana we don't skip a week without upload or shooting. Even though kunzima because of commitments zethu ezibhedayo okanye nezinye izinto ezisemacaleni yabo, so we end up not shooting yabo, of which ayo problem leyo because we are still a work in progress nathi yabo. But ke ngoku self-help books zithi write it down qho ekseni uzijonge esipilini and then you say I will make sure ndiyashoot episode yabo for the sake nje of ukwenza nje umzekelo of immediate goal yabo. And ke ngoku kuba khona long term goals yabo, ufumanise kuba i-goal might be in the next 2 years umuntu ufuna ukwenza sure uba une business yabo, but kufuneka ibe specific loo nto leyo yabo. So yeah, mandijule apha kuwe yabo, what do you think about the advice? Is it something that you practice? And yeah,
okay, thank you for that question. So,
and also, is it something entsha oyivayo okanye you've heard about it now, and once uyiva did you try and implement? And yeah, after ugqibile nam ndizawuphendula on my side.
Okay, for me, I would answer it not on a personal level, which is unfortunate. I don't want to personalize it to my own experience, but I want to talk about it in a broad way, right? So, okay, there are a lot of things that are said, there are a lot of things that are taught to us as a community, right? In terms of approach, if you tackle the word approach on its own, an approach to something differs to every individual, right?
Yeah.
So, some people are big on tech, some people are big on writing down things, and now you can even write something on like on your cell phone or anywhere, on your calendar or whatsoever. Okay. So for me, I think it's challenging but not challenging. I think it is mainly challenging because it is mainly because there's always going to be a focus shift, right? So your focus might be shifted to something else, and the next particular time it's shifted to something else. Okay, basically for me, I don't remember writing something down saying I want to achieve it. So yeah, if that's what was the question, that is my answer. I don't remember writing something down, but I've heard, right?
Yeah,
I've met people who write their stuff down and it works well for them.
Yeah. So lena yi nto yoku improve ne.
Yes.
So ndifuna uthi, like, let's say mzekelo the first time uyiva kwinto yoba, like, when you want to achieve your goals kufuneka uzibhale phansi yabo. I'm sure you've heard it kuloo ndawo leyo yabo.
Yep.
So is it something oye wacinga uba Flip, if I want to achieve le goal yam, of which I would assume uba ubunayo igoal ethile yabo, funeka uyibhale phansi and then uyithethe esipilini and then ubani uyithetha nje so that uzokwazi ukuyi-achieve kelo goal yakho? Is it something oye wayithatha into consideration okanye isuke nje yathi nje yakudlula ku?
Comes back lende approach as well. Like, if ningathetha inyani ngoku, I've never written something down ndiyaphinda futhi, and obviously I'm going to be aware of what I want to become or what I want to achieve, right? And in a state of mind, it's always going to be there. So let's talk about someone who doesn't have a mirror in the room. Well, it's very rare.
Yeah.
But if you mirror, it's in one room or maybe in a bathroom or maybe just a bedroom. Then you spend ixesha lakho kwezo rooms not ngamaxesha alinganayo. But in terms of going about it that way, I haven't. But I know what I want. I know what I want to be. I know what I want to become. It's always there in my mind. When I go places, sometimes I do have, because do you know of this thing of stealing ideas?
Okay.
The only time to steal something, or the only time when you steal something is good is when you're stealing an idea. But stealing an idea, how? Not you telling me, okay, this is what I want to do, I want to then steal. No, that's not how you steal an idea. You giving me advice and actually interacting with my idea as well can improve my idea as well. Or watching something from afar, maybe I can apply a few of those particular steps to my idea. Then that's when I think it's appropriate to steal an idea then. So that idea of writing it down, talking about it, talking to yourself, looking at the mirror, it has happened, but not in that order, as well as not particularly the same way, because I believe when you wake up, you know what you're doing and you know what capabilities, like what are your drives, what are you looking for. So
okay, so lo mzekelo wemirror, it's one of the ways of kuyenza lento le. I think bayaziqhuba nje zonke yabo. So ukube nge-vision boards.
Yep, I know what a vision boards
so yenye ke leyo that abantu usually do yabo. And that's what maybe nencwadi they advise ba no man, in order for uba to achieve your goals yabo, the first step kufuneka uzibhale phansi, create a vision board yabo. And then ezinye advice ezoba write your goal uyibeke up efridgini yabo. Klento yakho yoba like espilini yabo, awufane ugilane naso buso, but we know efridgini maybe uyaka 4 or 5 times a day yabo. So uzawugilana nayo lonto le yabo. So ke ngoku okay man, pendule ngami yabo. So I don't remember the first time yabo, but ndidibana nayo le advice in most of these books yabo. And ke ngoku nambu njengawe yabo, I tend to not really fight it, but nisuke ndithi hayi man yabo, I know my ideas yabo, I know into endifuna uyenza yabo. So le chapter le, and sometimes I think iba khola nto kuthiwa yi-auto suggestion yabo, ukuzama ufaka into kwi-subconscious mind yakho. It's like kufuneka ibe visible enough around wena to a point yoba awudingi uyicinga yabo, iba part of into nje that comes natural kuwe yabo. And bunjenge answer yakho le uyiphenduleyo yoba into yami iba into yoba no man, ndiyayazi uba kufuneka uthini, kufuneka ndithini yabo. And especially le yothetha espilini, somehow it feels cringe buso yabo, ukuyenza nje leyo exercise buso. And ke ngoku kuba khona nento yoba ubunazo your mini goals yabo before doing the exercise lena, and wa manager ukuzi achieve yabo without doing the exercise lena yabo. And ke ngoku I don't want to be like naive, because abantu ababhala izincwadi ezi bazibhala because of the experiences abanazo yabo. And then enye incwadi, I think Think and Grow Rich yabo, and I think even call out futhi esithi bana I know most yabantu would say no man, like le answer yakho yabo, ndiyayazi direction yam endiyakuyo, ndiyazazi ideas zam, I don't need to do lento yabo. And then yena athi who are you to say londo leyo, kodwa abantu that you want to become, which is maybe let's say ababantu who are successful to whatever nto ofuna uyenza, are saying do lento le in order for u reach lento le yabo. Then it becomes a question eyoba us not doing lento le, are we setting ourselves back kwinto yoba if we did lento le, maybe whatever si achievayo we would have achieved it quicker.
Okay.
Okanye whatever isifuna uziachieve esingaziachievanga maybe ngesiziachievile, because there's reasons behind lento abayithethayo. It's not like bayaphambana. Yeah.
Umbuzo wam is, have they ever checked on people that don't actually write what they want to write down and actually have worked well, have worked hard enough to a point where they are like them, as in they have achieved goals just as them? That's my counter question to that. And I'm thinking about it now. Like, have they ever like fully checked? I know to say comparing the number, like maybe 80% to 20%. Like I know statistics will always be statistics.
Yeah.
Because in a community, you can't have all of us playing soccer, right? Some of us will be good at soccer. Some of us will be good at singing. Some of us will be good at so on and so forth.
Yeah.
So what has worked well for me will not work well for you. But in terms of wanting to achieve a goal, in terms of manifestation, which is the modern terminology, right? In terms of that, like, you know, hey, I'm gonna get in trouble, but let's try. In terms of manifestation, if you manifest about something, then that thing is yours. But I believe somehow that manifestation, whatever it is that I was trying to say, that manifestation of yours, right, will be challenged at some point, right?
Yeah.
So much as you say you're manifesting, that will be challenged. So that's why sometimes I always say, you know, when you want something, there should be obstacles. When you want something, there should be a reason, because an obstacle can only bring like so much reason for you to achieve something.
Imagine by manifestation uthetha ukuthini qala?
I don't have the correct definition for it from what I think.
But nje maybe imizekelo yayo.
In terms of like, if you they say, if you manifest about something, like if it's within you, then you are gonna become it.
Yeah.
And
so ngoku isn't as vision boards part of manifestation?
They are. That's why I'm saying if it's challenged.
Yeah.
If that part is challenged. Then what's next? Because somehow it also involves this thing of shifting of the goals.
Yeah.
Right. So if you spend a lot of time wanting to achieve this particular goal, and then you lose, then you decide to move to another goal, or you decide to move to no goal at all. That's why I'm saying it is challenged.
So isn't lendo leba advisayo, which is, I would say, manifesto now?
Yeah, it is.
Is it not meant to defeat ezo challenges as? Because into yoba uvuke ekuseni qhomos ezibandisisho ujonge esipilini uzixelele uba you want to do 1 2 3 uhambe, and maybe let's say you hit an obstacle, but since nangomso uzophinde uyithethe the same thing yoba I want to do 1 2 3 okanye I will do 1 2 3, then somehow whatever obstacles obane udibana nazo, since wena ke ngoku nale routine eyokuziconvince uba maybe let's say in the next year ufuna ukwenza lo 100k, yabo, then namhlanje you lose lo 1k yakho, yabo. But if not ngomso usama kulondo leyo yoba next year ufuna ukwenza le 100k, yabo, so ayikuniki i-drive kwinto yoba whatever obstacles odibene nazo iyazicima.
Well, it does. Well, I'm not discarding it like entirely, right?
Yeah.
Point Yambenzamuzisa was the way the human body and the human mind works. Right? because somehow you'd find out I am a quiet person, right? I don't like to share my things with particular individuals. And then when it comes to sharing it with myself, I don't like to even express.
Exactly.
Right? I don't like to even express in my own time. I like to keep it within the expression, like iphelele up.
But sometimes they feel cringe ezinto yes. Yabo. And also nansi ngokenye into yoba kuthiwa once you write it down, it becomes a contract oba nayo with yourself, like we are commit. Yabo. And maybe, well, not maybe, but maybe one of the reasons why singazibhaliyo phansi maybe ezo ideas and goals, it's because uzawubona uba we are flop. Yabo. Because it's like we are committed mos ngokuba no ndifuna ukwenza le 100k apha kulo nyaka. Yabo. And londo leyo uyibona on a daily basis. Yabo. And with those obstacles uthetha ngazo, yabo, if awuyibhala ngaphansi iyakwazi ufade lula lo plan yakho, yabo, ulibale ngayo. But since usola kuyibona on a daily basis, it's a constant reminder kwinto yoba no man, you are steering away from a contract le ubunayo with yourself. And to be brutal ngasuke ndithi ba like we are part of failing le contract le ubuyibekileyo, yabo. And ke ngoku since ungayibhala ngaphansi kulula to sway away and then you come up with a next goal because there's nothing to account to. But ke ngoku xa unale routine yoba qho ekseni uyazixelela, yabo, even though ufumanise kuba usaflopa kuyo but uzoqhubekeka uzame. Now,
can I say this? In what you're saying, very wonderful. Like it's very wonderful. It's on point. It's what's right. It's the right thing to do, right? And it comes back to everything has to have an accountability, right, to it, which is action must be taken in order for you to achieve. So here's here's an individual who doesn't write, doesn't express anything, but the actions are there. So I still say, yes, it works well for particular individuals, but for particular individuals who don't, to come up with something and say that, okay, if you don't write it, then you are leaning more towards failing it than not becoming accountable for it. That's a wonderful counterpoint to people who don't write their stuff down. But to people who don't write their stuff down, for you to perform the action part, which is ways to achieve your goal, you are excelling that department, like 100%. And then for you to fail as well while you are moving towards your goal, you have to have a complex for you to achieve your goal. It's not a matter of, which is I tend to disagree again. It's not a matter of, okay, if this didn't work well, then let me step back a few steps so that I can maybe try something new. In terms of changing or shifting the goal, not something new as in something new to improve that goal.
Okay, so with le preparation le nayo, yabo, because ngathi ukho indlela eziyi-2 ezi-different abantu aba-approacha i-goal yabo, yabo. And ke ngoku kukho le ethethwa zezincwadi kakhulu yoba you need to write down i-goals zakho, yabo. And then esibini ke ngoku kubekho le yoba no man, i-goals zam akho need ndibe ndispend hours in sense vision board and whatever. Sikhona apha kumenhloko, yabo. Then maybe I can write down maybe ndole i-system of ukuyi-achieve ke loo nto leyo, but not into yoba I want to achieve 1 2 3 so phofu mna I tend to ukuyiskipa lo part ndiye straight kule yoba kufuneka ndiyenze, so yabo. and ke ngoku there's no right or wrong yabo, it dependa kumntu kule nto le yabo. And ke ngoku enye phofu mandithi so oh yeah, with whatever goals oziachievileyo ngale ndlela le uqhuba ngayo, don't you think uba if you take le or maybe try and incorporate it, it would maybe amplify as goals zakho and maybe uziachieve faster, or maybe not? I think mandiphele kanjalo yabo, because ndifuna nje ukuza nje apha. So the reason why besithi abantu must write them down yabo, zikhona nje points ezi-4 abazibhalileyo eyoba when you write down goals zakho, eyokuqala it clears your head yabo. Awuzibhala phansi uyakwazi uzibona nje kakuhle yabo, it clears your head. It's a contract, which is ile ndichilo uba like it's something uba accounted for. That is maybe after veki uyakwazi uku-reflecta back uba am I doing lento that I said I will do yabo. It's a contract. And then any point it helps you see things yabo. So since uyibhale phansi maybe uzawubana uvisualize yabo uba like into xa uyithetha on a daily basis, kula lanto la fake it till you make it. So uzawukwazi uzibona having londo or being leyo nto leyo yabo. Then it forces you to be specific yabo. So ezinye goals kufuneka uye into detail uba I want to do this by this time and whatever, utubeka i-deadline yabo. Because kule yethu even though ufumanise kubana siyayibeka i-deadline but aside siyibhale phansi yabo, because nanso omnye umahluko, because as points z4 zibhalwe apha we do go through them, uyakwazi uyivisualize but ke ngobona ba-emphasize into yoba xa uyibhala phansi ke ngoku uye uyibone kakuhle yabo. So with ezo points ezo ke ngoku, going back to the question yami yoba don't you think uba it would amplify i-work ethic yakho and keep you accountable to whatever nto ofuna uyenza, more especially on those goals that you didn't achieve?
Okay. To give you a straight answer, it's a simple, straight yes.
Yeah.
Like no questions about it. But it has to dumb itself down to a particular individual.
Yeah.
Right? You spoke about the word cringe. Or you spoke about you know what to do, you just go and do it. Then now you're asking about amplifying what's already there, right? It is part of a goal on its own to jot down your goals.
It is a goal.
It's a part of and it's like you know when you have a presentation, right? Like you've prepared until a point you stop preparing, and then you're like waiting for your name to be called to go and present your project.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, and then somehow you feel like, is there something I'm missing? Is there something I am not missing?
Yeah.
And then you go and do your presentation, and then it flops, or it goes like ngendlela ongakhange uyicingele, like ibe
wonderful.
Yeah, and ube ufila wena uba no man, I didn't do my best there, but kuthiwa I did my absolute best.
Yeah.
So yes, like maybe manditiki, let me bring it down to simple terms. Being part of something that you like, being part of something that it is a goal for you.
Yeah.
I think yes, it does amplify your goal, because writing it down, you actually taking your time and you actually putting it in your mind back and forth about, okay, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to become, this is what I want to achieve, this is what but nothing nothing says that everything that you write down will work well for you. But in a sense where you get there, you will get there. Even if it's a 2-year time frame, then it takes more than that. Then I still believe that's a goal on its own as well. It's just that there was a stipulation for you. I can say it's a stipulation of performing a art of writing, performing a art of telling yourself, performing a art of
and to add more on counter arguments of right kabe nizama ujonga if unyusele volume le kanti so was ne volume la but le volume yayo ayinanto apho fumanise kuba iyaphela because it's like isecular nje qha even though uyinyusa ide ufumanise kuba une end yabo so andiyazi ubiyanyuka kanye 10 yabo so i-counter arguments on abantu that cause mina disuke ndizi-ignore nje izinto ezi and not to say uba I don't believe uba they would amplify like le nto ithethayo uba it's a straight answer yes yabo but lo mcringe and more especially with le yothetha espilini yabo maybe it's something umuntu ufuneka athi ayizame till athi ayiqhele yabo because I do have ezinye goals that I do not achieve yabo because ufumanise kuba like unento ezininzi yabo you achieve ezinye and then you don't achieve ezinye yabo so kwezi that I am lacking kuzo maybe try le approach of uyibhala phansi and yabo but ke ngoku kule ye-doers yabo because kukho writers kunye ne-doers yabo I would say but that just do without jotting down ideas and whatever yabo so the reason why singazenzi yoba writing it down it's a fake feeling yabo so it feels good once you write into phansi it feels like you've achieved it even though ungayiachievanga yabo it would happen motivations yabo that's why abanye abantu hate motivational speakers because iba into ye moment ufumanise kuba umuntu ready to do whatever I'm motivated kuyo yabo but after a few days it dies down yabo but ke ngoku to counter argue elacala earlier bathi bona kufuneka uyenze on a daily basis so it's more like if nalo motivation leyo kufuneka qho ekseni ubani uyimamela so that is what ingene yabo but eyoqala it's a fake feeling then enye to le ubuyithetha yoba action is the proof so ukuyenza kwakho is the proof of whatever contract onayo with yourself yabo and then things change fast yabo yoba uyabhala phansi le goal somehow ichinje into then scratcha leya uphinde ubhale enye and whatever but leyo uyiflip flop nje khakule yabo so things change fast and then enye it's a waste of time so 20 minutes of writing versus just doing the work yabo so you can either spend 20 minutes uplana okanye usuku uyenze nje straight lento le
that is why when you answer something or when you talk about something you have to be more careful especially nowadays so I like that you're reading something from a writing right so that's coming from a writing so yes some people are very explicit about things meaning that they can call out like some other methods or approaches zabanye abantu they call them like a waste of time. I wouldn't say like specifically to someone you are wasting your time. Like if maybe here's someone, they're trying to achieve their goals, they're telling you they're doing this and doing this and doing this. I wouldn't say to someone they are wasting their time. Not saying I would lie to them if I see their routine is way off. Right? But I would never say that, simply because you have to respect other people's approaches. Because at some point, the value is there, right? Some people value so many different things. So value plays a different role in achieving a goal, and also disciplining yourself to something also plays a very different and major role.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why it's so nice to test. Yeah, it's so nice to test different approaches. Like see if it works for you, because writing something down might be suitable for me, but it might not be suitable for you, right?
Yeah.
For you, you'll just know what to do, and then if you call you, where are you? I'm attending a session where I'm doing this.
Yeah.
You know what you're doing, right? And then for omnye umdu, they are writing it down. Not that they are wasting time, man.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying it's very insensitive sometimes to say, okay, you're wasting your time. Maybe for it to take longer, it means that you really want to become it. Because we understand time is not in our hands, but at some point time is in our hands, but not entirely though.
Yeah. So it's a waste of time. It depends on the perspective, like
exactly.
Rightfully so, like yoba, what works for Omnia might not work for Omnia. And also lendo that might seem as wasting time might be saving time, because once you plan indo from other points as paphezulu, so kuthiwa like it be specific, and also it clears your head. Iba more structural. Once into is structural, kulula ukuyilandela compared to maybe into owenza trial and error ngayo. And it would save you more time xa unale in a structure compared to le yoba masense. And at the same time ke ngoku planning kakhulu might also hinder you from taking the action. So it needs a bit of balance on both sides.
Okay, I wanna say something very quick. You play soccer, right?
Yeah,
you play soccer. You train yourself, right? When you play soccer, you attend soccer practice every now and then, right?
Yeah.
And then it comes the day of you playing a game, or a major game, right?
Yeah.
And then when it's okay, why do you have to make quick responses when you're playing a soccer match, when you know that in soccer practice, okay, how you approach this, it's A, B, C, and D.
Yeah.
Why does that, when you have pressure now, you tend to apply quick responses? I want you to take this and reflect it to or relate it to the topic of the day.
Lendo, there's into a theory and a practical.
And it's nice for you to study it like that. Remember, you are theorizing in a soccer practice, and also you are practicing, which is you're being practical in a soccer practice. So you can go on.
So okay, ikona i-drill yabo ufumanise kubana it's a simulation yabo aku,
of course,
makwa njenge uba like kuyamakwa kwi-match yabo, abantu they guide yabo to show maybe a specific drill yabo. So kuleyo uyakwazi uyi-execute le theory leyo ba maybe xa upasela ibhola kufuneka uqala uthene ngapha instead of uthene ngapha yabo, njengomzekelo leyo xa unika ibhola you must turn a left yabo, even though i-vague nje kanjalo, but it's an instruction and nento esifuna uyipractice leyo yoba kule situation lena you must turn a left yabo. Then iye yenziwe into ebu simulation apho ufumanise kubana whoever okumakhayo akakumakhi manyani akalawe ubu-10 buso. Then ke ngoku even kwa kwi-practice ziba khona into ezibu like ufumanise kubana ingathi yi-match eyamanyani whereby ungazuyinikwa laa nto yoba i-simulation ngoku you can turn yabo, and then apho ngoku you need to make i-adjustments even though into ithi funeka uthene e-left, but from judging ngale position ume ngayo uyibona uba no man, let me rather ndithene e-right even though coach ezawucaphuka apho but ibe successful.
Okay.
Yabo, same thing eyenzekayo ke nakwi-match, whatever nto ebezi-controlled phaa kwi-training ufumanise kubana awumakhwa so akuthiweni yabo asekho ngapha ya, udlala nabantu ongabaziyo, and then whatever oyenzayo kufuneka ibe instant yabo. And with the instructions zika-coach it happens uba ngamanye amaxesha zikwazi ukwenzeka nje nge-theory leyo, because andifuni ukuthi i-theory it doesn't work, but zikhona ii-cases apho ufumaniseke uba ezi variables ezibekiweyo ufumaniseke ubana kuthiwe kuzobakho umntu ophaa naphaa ayikho kwi-match, and you have to come up with these ideas of ukwenza into entsha. Yabo, then ke ngoku going back to upper ke ngoku.
Yes.
Yabo, so with whatever plan nayo onayo buso xa uya kwi-real world obviously zizaba khona izinto apho ezizawuflopa nje there and then funeka u-adjust. Yabo, you can adjust plan yakho.
So necessarily yabo, I think it is safe to say about we can separate people who write their goals down, and we can separate those people from the people that don't write their stuff down, who just execute.
Yeah.
And at the same time, we cannot separate those people because they are doing the exact same thing. But it depends on the approach, the levels, the time as well.
Yeah.
And the pressures that are there.
Yeah.
Going back to, you are actually answering my question of that time frame that I talked about. If a goal is to be achieved in a space of 2 years, then it takes longer, but you end up achieving it anyway. So now we are, I like that you brought the words simulation, right, to try and mimic the real world, to make you more accountable. And also when it comes to the real world things, then you have to execute faster than you should have, or execute slower, or maybe adjust a bit, because even if you have a template of your goals, you don't necessarily move away from them, even though you have to make adjustments every now and then.
Yeah, that's true. Because Mike, I see it towards closer, but
okay,
any point endifuna ngayo ne, because into esigcinisa ngayo leyo yoba i-approaches differ depending on umntu. Yabo, abanye abantu just do. Yabo, abanye abantu they write down. Yabo, but ke ngoku i-question yam neyoba why ezincwadi zonke they always preach lay approach than enye? Because
more of
they preach lay yoba if you want to achieve your goals, yabo, you must write them down. Yabo, i-dream by dream or forever if you don't write it down. Yabo, xa uyibhala phansi it becomes a commitment, it becomes a contract with yourself.
I think it is mainly because of the statistics, one, and also it is mainly because like it is shown in their statistics that if you move away from actually having a journal, or if you don't journal about like your life or your goals, you would tend to move away from them. You will get new goals, you'll get new distracting goals from your prior or from your priority goals, right? So I think that is why, like from research, I think it has been, information has been gathered to a point where it really shows that if you don't stick what you said you will achieve, you will end up being lost somewhere. I'm trying to find A, B, and C to go where.
Also, I think one of the things kukho into ekuthiwa yi-definiteness of purpose.
What is that?
I-purpose uyayibona mos like it's something oyenzayo yabo. Abanye abantu they say my purpose in life is to do whatever abayenzayo.
Sure.
So yabo. So enye into that I think lendo of writing things down is that somehow iye ikforce for whatever goal ofuna uyenza ibe yi some sort of a definiteness of purpose yakho.
Sure.
Because each and every day uvuke ekuseni you speak about le goal yabo. Xa uye efrijini iyagila le goal yabo. Abanye abantu even as a vision boards baye bazixhome ekamereni yakhe like ufumaniseke kuba umuntu uyayibona, so ukuya back na kwi subconscious yabo. So ayonto yoba uyakwazi uyilibala yabo, qho iya popa into, even though like le njengoba singabhali yabo, i-goal yakho iyapopa yabo into kwingqondo yakho yabo, but ngoku it's like ipopa kakhulu and ipopa forced, not uba kufuneka uyicinge uthi uvula ifridge nansi le goal yakho, uthi usekamereni nansi le goal yakho yabo. So ayikwenzi uyilibali yabo. And going back to nalando yoba kwezi obstacles ubani ugilana nazo, it reminds you back uba no man nansi le goal yami, and you end up living your goal buso yabo, because idibetheleleke nje kuwe enhloko yabo. And not to say because zikhona ezinye goals zami like ezinjengale ndithetha ngayo fumanise kubana like ayipheli mini ndingayicinganga, even though ndingayibhalanga phansi ndingayithelanga yabo. So isoloko nje iyapopa nje apha kum yabo. And ke ngoku going back to his stats is yabo, maybe ke it's been proven uba for a majority yabantu lena helps compared to the other, because enye it's easy for uba uyilibale i-goal yakho.
And it goes back to what I said to you when like earlier today. So I talked about short-term goals and long-term goals. Then I told you when you came with this topic to me today, I said, funny enough, I have peers who jot everything down. I have colleagues who jot everything down, even if it's for a duration of a week or a duration of a day or a duration of particular hours. My colleagues would write, okay, I want to achieve A, B, C, and D, and then they actually commit to that. Then it comes back to having something noted down, is that for you're giving yourself, because remember your conscious also plays, or your subconscious also plays a role in actually building and destroying your own being inside, right? So if you create a boss or something that is going to take charge of you for your own, so that you can respect it and maneuver under it, I think that sets a standard for yourself as well, because they know. I think the reason why they write everything down is because they know somehow a day might have ups and downs. Maybe I would want to have a meeting, or they would have other commitments outside of those goals. So they have to go back. Let me go back to my diary. Let me go back to whatever I have for the day and see if I can accommodate you. So I think it's part of living, because they know time is evolving, everything is evolving. So, but to actually make it a fact or a standard that, okay, I need to finish this in a particular time, so that even if they have something new, right, or they have an occasion coming up, so they know, okay, at 5:00 I have to be somewhere, but wait, I have A, B, C, and D. And then in terms of approach, we spoke about quick responses. Maybe A, B, and C, quickly respond to them, then finishing them, then you're left with a few things, then taking your time with those, then accommodating other priorities or other individuals.
Yeah, it true leyo because nyani like after unezo goals zakho kufuneka wenze system because leyo uthatha ngayo it's more of a system oba nayo yabo to help you achieve i-goal yakho.
Doesn't that implies or assumes we as individual functions through systems that are put there? Like if
we function better.
Yes.
We function better through a system. Hence ufumanise kuba i-machines are uyeke le part ye creative and whatever what yabo better at achieving izinto than thina. Like if imagine uyixelela uba funeka yenze 1 2 3 izoyenza loo nto leyo without any distractions ezo yabo. And even kwasesikolweni yabo as timetables ezizibekwayo so if you stick to la timetable layer yabo i-chances zoba upase high, but ke ngoku kuba nzima for wena to stick to la system layer because of usahleli usafunda kuthiwe masambe siyokhaba ibhola and then you steer away yabo of which imachine yona once ithe izawukwenza lento le akukho any distraction ezakwenzeka leyo yabo. So abantu function way better once we have a system. Hence ke ngoku nathi for the podcast we need to have a system in place. Ufumanise kuba nyani asizo skip yabo because that's one thing enqonda iyadingeka yabo. You have a goal but without a system of achieving leyo goal leyo iba iflop.
It goes back to individualism, which I once brought up to you, like la sense and la notion of understanding an individual, right?
Yeah.
So I said this way back. I don't remember if I said it on an episode or I told you face to face, but it's not that deep. It's just the fact that people are committed to so on and so on and so on, just as you are committed to your goals, and also to so on and so on and so on. So it happens where you cheat on your goals, right? By actually not committing to them and actually moving away, just like you said right now, and actually moving away from them, knowing that you have sufficient time. I'm gonna spend a lot of time doing that, knowing that I could have done something today, right, and then not do anything about it and decide to do something else, and knowing that you won't do it, and then knowing that okay, let me spend 2 more days, right, to what you should have done in a single day, or to what you should have done to something in a particular day, but you decided to skip it. So I think Naleo plays a big role in human life in terms of how we function as well. Do you believe in the statement that says forms follows function, or form follows function?
Form follows function.
Yes.
And understand the form part.
Okay, it form follows function.
Form.
Form as in a format, as in a form. It follows a function.
Form follows a function.
Yeah, I know it's there are too many F's there. Maybe it would kick, maybe can't get yeah.
Form follows that's function.
Yeah.
So if format ilandela a function. And by format is it like a structure?
Structure.
Ilandela lo function leyo
exactly.
Enye into bendifuna uyi-add yoba as abantu kulula to stick to a system whereby we are accounted to abanye abantu than uba accounted to yourself, because kule yakho it's easy to convince yourself ba no man it's fine ndingakwazi uyiyeka yabo. But once leyo system leyo you have to account to omnye umuntu, kunzima uba like ungayenzi lonto leyo, like espan yabo esimsebenzini une manager and we work ngesystems ezo yabo and ke ngoku kukho i-goals ezo yabo kulula for ba umuntu abile straight and achieve ezo goals ezo because kukho umuntu that you account to even nasesikolweni yabo kukho tishala that you account to and also kukho ne compensation marks same thing with the span kukho compensation salary but ke ngoku personal goals ke ngoku you find uba kunzima for us to convince ourselves uba nansi compensation and also account for ourselves uba no man I need to stick to lento le hence ke ngoku baye ba advise uba qho ekseni vuka uyithethe so that uzokwazi uku go back to la system layer ke ngoku.
Do you listen to music when you wake up in the morning?
Get depend but your routine.
But I'm sure on your way to work you listen to music. It's not necessarily
music
when you wake
and
up.
audiobooks,
Okay, yeah. I think naleo it plays a vital role. And I've once read, I don't know where. I've once read, and I wanna pose a question too before we close. I once read like the type or the kind of music that you listen to has an influence in terms of how you propel yourself and also function yourself in a day. Like if you listen to a much toned down music, you tend to, to be very willing and approaching things at a certain pace. But if you listen to more music that is aggressive, and you tend to lose something.
Before quick, what causes any?
What causes what?
Is it a thing yoba umamela kwam lo mculo I get le feeling okanye le feeling makes me listen to lo mculo?
The first one. I'm saying the first one because I'm not saying let's say I feel this way, then I should listen to. Somehow a feeling that already exists in you has to be sparked by something. Like if I'm having a good day today, right? And I see like a relative that I haven't seen in years, that will actually increase the feeling that I feel.
Yeah.
Right? So if maybe I feel like sad and then something more sad or whatever, something more sad in the bona, then it will actually spark the feeling. But if it's different, then it will change the way I feel. Or it will actually remind me if I should tone myself down to something.
Is it not a bit of both, but could depend on lo scenario leyo kanye lo situation ukuyo?
Yeah.
Because ngaya maxesha you find uba something happened and then you said, then you listen to umculo said.
Sometimes it finds you. Not necessarily you have to listen to it, right? Or go and look for it. It finds you. It finds you.
So it's a bit of both.
Yeah.
It depends on the situation there.
Yeah. Question I'm going before you do the closing was, or it actually is. We started this conversation saying it's gonna be about book reviews and reviewing a particular topic, which we have done so nicely. And I just want you to list a set of books, even if it's 3 or 2 or 4 of the books that you came across that attest to the topic of the day, for the sake of the viewer or the listener, right? To I've read that, maybe I should read that, that's what I'm getting at.
So Think and Grow Rich where I tell and ngulon ndiendathi ude washoutisa uba uyayazi there are people that say no, I don't need to write my goals down ndibe ndithethe esipilini and athi uba who are you to say leyo nto leyo yabo because abantu that you want to become are saying do lento yabo then ikhona enye it's a recent thing Never Eat Alone nangiyapha yabo Never Eat Alone naye uthela the same thing.
I thought that was a recipe book for muffins.
For abantu abayazi icover yayo abantu can Google bazobona icover yayo.
Don't judge whatever.
Then let me think yeyiphi ngokenye I can't think of enye ngoku, but zizo ezipopayo kumenhloko.
No,
but I know zikhona ezinye. Yeah, zikhona ezinye that say the same thing. Most of his self-help books, they say lendo yokuthi write down your goals.
Okay, write this goal down then. I'm gonna publish a book as well as our that will help the humanity. That will help, like, it will take a different dive from these books. It will take like an art form. Like, it will be an art form. It will be very beautiful. I'll write that book telling people how to not. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, but yeah, man, I think we can close this before we committed to as new goals.
No, man. But in reality, though, that would be such a dream come true to have your own book published. But it would be nice to take a different, like a detour into what has already been there, and also it's nice to work according to your own systems, your own context as well.
And I'm even sure by corner maybe any incwadi that takes a different approach on that.
Of course, they are for sure.
Yeah, we just start and ngagilani nayo most yazo, even nez motivations ziyathetha kakhulu. But I'm sure no zikhona nezinye zithi do now, like don't waste time. But I think mna combination of the two works better. You write down your goals and then you also take action. Yeah, I think we can all agree maybe a hybrid yazo works better. Yeah. So yeah, Mate, I think it's really for the day, and hopefully abantu will also engage with comments on uba have they on maybe which system works better for bona. Ingaba like this thing of writing your dreams down, having vision boards, and also speaking to yourself espilini so that yonke into iplanayo goes to your subconscious, so that uyiphile on a daily basis. It is something that works for bona, okanye they just nje think yonke into yabo is registered enhloko, and there's no need into yoba athethe espilini. And is it also a thing of uba cringe xa usijonge espilini, and how was your experience ngokuba uqala uyenza, like nje zonke nje whatever comment about lento esithethileyo. And thank you Mate for indulging.
Thank you.
Sure.